converting non-exact to non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation. What we want to have, we want to find what it's called zeta, and zeta is equal to what? Remember the partial derivative that you found the dm over dy minus dn over dx. So this derivative over the second term. The second term is dn over dx, so it's n. The condition is zeta should be a function of x only. If it is a function of x only, so u will be e to the integration of zeta dx, and then multiply the dE by u. Okay? If it is not a function of x, so try the second condition, which is, or the second way, zeta will be, okay, just flip the terms. So it's dn over dx minus dm over dy over, here the second term is amplitude over m. Zeta should be a function of y only. So u is equal to exponential integration of zeta dy, and then u, and then multiply the dE by u. These are the conditions that we have.